Hi everybody. We're going to go over the process of setting up the Automatic Calendar Invites app in the Google Suite. So let's say I have a big important event coming up and I want people who RSVP to a form that I send out to get an automatic calendar invite to this event. So the first thing I do to get set up is I make sure that I, the administrator, am listed as a guest and that the invite others checkbox is checked. Okay, great. So now I have my RSVP form for this event, and I have the corresponding spreadsheet that will host all the responses once they come in. Now I've downloaded the Automatic Calendar Invites app, and so I'm going to go ahead and get that set up. Now, the first time you run the app, you'll need to allow some permissions for the app to run. Then you'll need to select either the monthly or the yearly payment plan. Okay, we've got our payment set up. The first thing to do is to select what column in that spreadsheet is going to show the email addresses of your respondents. The second thing you do is you need to paste in the calendar event ID for that calendar event. So I'm going to go to my calendar. I'm going to go into the edit function. And the way I get the calendar event ID is I look at the URL here. And anything after the event edit slash, I'm going to copy and then paste into this field. And that's my calendar event ID. Now it's important to know that if your calendar event ID contains any question marks or dashes or anything that is not a number or a letter, you'll need to delete those marks and any characters that follow those marks. Now, if I want to send a test invitation, I can to make sure it's working. And you'll just need to make sure that the test email address is different from your own email address. And then I simply select Complete Setup. Okay, it's good to go. Now, here is a sample calendar of one of my invitees. And currently, the big important event is not in their calendar. So, let's see what happens when they RSVP. All right. So Cindy has just RSVP'd. I see on my end her response. Now let's see what it looks like in Cindy's calendar. Cindy has received the invitation, and this invitation will also show up in her email. All right, great. Thanks very much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.